All right. What's up, guys? A little late today. Sorry about that. Market's basically down. Not bad. Time and offshore EDU. Nice stop this morning. Hey, Nick. Yeah, Easter was pretty good. How about yourself, man? Morning, Rob. Yeah, Easter's always great with the kids. All right, how's Fortinet holding up? So came back, tested that, tested that breakout point yesterday. You know, Rob, I didn't realize it until I woke up getting ready to stream. I, I didn't even realize it. Oh, 3, 5, and 8, fantastic. Yeah, my kid's 5 and 8. 3 would be great. That's fantastic. Cool, man. Yeah, hope you had fun. Enjoy them while they're young, cause yeah, once they hit puberty, it's over. Damn kids. All right, Fortinet bouncing pretty hard off of that breakout point on Friday, which is pretty nice. Closer towards the high of the day. Getting a little bit of a start this morning. We'll see how things end up. Volume's not very high, but we shall see. Also, gentlemen, I think I told you guys this. I don't remember or not, but I got my pool that's being remodeled. So if I gotta bounce real quick or something like that, I may have to do so, or pause the video for a while. Today I may have to go if they get here because it's a more intricate day. They're supposed to start today. I'm just not sure when. All right, Fortinet doing pretty good. STZ took a position in STZ yesterday or Friday on this little breakout. So that one up today, which is pretty good. I like that consolidation. I think those are my only positions I have right now, other than my general position and my default positions right now, which are MJ. I've got a tiny position in Riot, which is the BTC company. We bought it like down here or something like that. I think November, just before this huge dive. And now, luckily, we're kind of back up here. So that's going well, but it was tiny. It was like a $200 bet with a huge payoff, mind you, but I don't think it's going to fulfill its destiny. All right, so we got my list here. We got C-Trip, Acacia, INSG, not really bouncing too much. Yesterday, just a normal day. Looks like breaking through that trend line. Kind of a normal day right there. We got Match.com, GMed, Illumina, Fox. We talked about the breakout and lack of volume in terms of getting into a breakout, and so that's proving to be an issue here. Earnings on 5/1, so about a week. Trade desk still looking nice and tight. Acacia C-Trip, so not too bad. Diamond Offshore, the winner today. This is one we've been looking at for a while. Broke out of here. Now it's kind of back up here as earnings coming up. Oil prices, I believe, aren't too bad. Oil took this huge slide and slowly kind of climbing its way back here. This is US oil. I'm not sure what the actual commodity is doing, however. I sure got some IBD stuff. We got IBD 50. Look at some of the IBD stuff. We'll check that out. Paper. One thing we were looking at the other day was STNG, a tanker company that just had a huge up day. Heck is this? Oh, okay. I got too many freaking tabs open. Okay, here we go. Close, close, close. And I'm happy with that. Okay. All right. Oil surges. More bad news for Boeing. So oil surging. That's kind of one of the things we were looking at. I guess with that Diamond Offshore pop. Let's go check out oil prices first. 2% to $65. Yeah, basically been in just a straight uptrend. See right there out of the lows. Just straight uptrend. Should be some resistance here at about 65, but 75 is going to be the real challenge there. Trump administration ends Iran sanction waivers. Interesting. Let's check out the EIBD. Comes out every Friday. They used to put an IBD out 4 times a week. Bastards. All right, let's take a look at, we'll start at Big Cap 20. Now the Nasdaq looking like it's selling off a little bit. Still within the general trend of this little upward. I'm pointing with the corner of my window now. This little upward thing right there. Still within that trend, so nothing too crazy going on here. I think it's probably fine to be looking at stuff. Hits profit, falls below 10-week line, extended above, slides back into buy range after clearing an entry. That's always not so great. That's Fortinet, but it's back into buy range. Barely extended from the buy zone, SSNC. Near 122.50, buy zone of cup type base is KLAC. Clears handle area but lacks volume in Comcast. Extended out of a cup with handle. Gain above. Tops 40% on Xilinx. Nice. Twilio pulling back the 10-week line after big move. Wait for a base. New base is building on Splunk. Profit taking. Past 5%. Bullet of a strength line. Extended from entry. Extended. Google a breakout. Excuse me. Google a breakout, but things are barely, the average is barely above average. All right, Intuit has two things going on. It's testing its 10-week line and it has a 272.24 entry for 3 weeks tight pattern. Triggers 8% sell rule and extended. So not so many today. Intuit still in play. There's your 3 weeks tight pattern. There's the high it needs to get over. So we'll see what happens with that. All right, let's take a look at sector leaders. Wow, only 4 on the list today. Arista Networks, extended. MTZ toying with breakout. Falls below 10-week line. Barely extended, back below profit-taking zone for Vive. So not even as healthy as last week. We had definitely more sector leaders. The sector leaders list is pretty flexible. IBD 50 and the Big Cap 20 are pretty rigid with how many stocks they put in there. Consolidating below is not good. Briefly, it's profit-taking zone on Vive. 10-week support and heavy trade sell signal, absolutely, for Atlassian. Let's go take a look at that. First leader with a sell signal on earnings. So that's definitely so there's your 50-day moving average. There's your sell signal gapping down on earnings. Another reason why selling out before earnings is so important. Hold on, guys. I got to go get some water. All right, y'all. My some of my pool guys just got here, so I'm gonna bounce and get out of here. Uh, yeah, let me take a look real quick. SBMBIO. Holy shite, SBIO. I don't know what's what on each of them. Um, so yeah, I would put these in line with probably this is probably a biotech or something. Mustangs Bio, SBI, uh, Medical Breakthrough ETF. Yeah, so MEB is a single one, and then SBIO. It looks like it's a individual ETF. So yeah, I don't play in those big ones. That's not. I don't have any strategy built around playing this. If you look at this pop, it happened. It happened. Looks like after hours. I think. Yeah, yeah, and then it opened here and just fell throughout the day. Um, I don't really have a game plan for these. It's not something I do. A huge inherent risk for me, so I don't do it. I just don't do it. All right, guys, I gotta run. Have a good day. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.